What's good? We back with another video. Haven't been online in a couple of weeks, but you know, been super busy. But you guys, I'm not missed. I'm pretty sure I'm not. Everything's still the same. It's nothing new. Same thing under the sun. But anyways, we're gonna get into this video. Now, I've been looking at a lot of different forums I've been on, especially the P6000 forum. Pretty sure a couple people that's on the forum inside of Facebook. And a lot of people have been having problems with these P6000s because they're not probably getting the right motherboards, or the companies that's putting them out not doing the right proper research, or they're getting motherboards from companies that's not reputable companies, or I don't know what it is, but they're having problems with it. So hope you guys get that figured out. I kind of know what's the problem. I have two P6000s myself, and yeah, I'll be introducing them to the channel pretty soon. But other than that, I got my other big boy back here, which is my 7900 11 channels back here. I did a couple novel checks earlier on the printer, getting ready to convert it to DTF, so you can see that everything is perfectly working on this printer. And we're gonna get everything together. So this is gonna be the next printer I'll be printing with. I have it set up and it's not ready to convert it. Really, I lost my ink chips. I lost the orange and the green chip. So I have to find those chips. I have so many chips, I gotta go through those and find out which ones is which. So that's been another thing really why I haven't, that's the real reason why, to tell you the truth. But anyways, these are 11 channel printers, and I have the 7890 over here, as you guys probably can see. Another one right here, that's 9 channel. So I get up deep into depth in the video of why the 11 channel is better than the 9 channel, but they both like the same type of printers, but 7900 and 7890. So we'll get into that later on. But this printer I got in a good condition, and it prints super immaculate. I already have done some test prints, so you can let you guys see. I did a couple of test prints just to see how it's gonna look before I convert it over, and came out super nice. So, and it actually, this is my second one. I have another one too as well. So I have actually two 7890s. So let you see these colors right here. I had printed out a light color at first, then a little darker. See how it's gonna come out, and it came out super. I'm talking about super nice. It's one of my logos, F.O.M apparel. One of the logos this is the design that came up with. But yeah, so these right here, super nice. So when I convert this printer over, oh, I can't wait. But that's what we're doing. Putting out these high quality images that look like this right here, guys. You know what I'm saying? This is what we're doing over here. So for all the ones that support the channel, support the website, appreciate you guys. Support the ink line, I really appreciate you guys. That's all we're doing is high quality work over here. Look at this. High quality. Look at the colors. Look at those colors, how they pop out. So anybody wondering what type of ink I'm using my own personal ink. Looks super nice. F.O.M DTF ink you seeing right here. I have all the colors. I have the powder, I have the film, I have the whole combination for you. ICC profiles. Go to the website. You guys go to supplies, you see the ICC profiles. If you need editing software, I also have editing software on there for a nice affordable price. So go pick up both of the sets of ICC profiles and bring you these vibrant colors, these pinks, purples, and blues, and things like that. You can't get these greens and things like that. ICC profiles will give you that and make it look super vibrant. Give you that pop that you're looking for. So if you guys want high quality images, you can go purchase your own images from me, upload them. Make sure you read the image recommendations first before you upload your image so you can have the right size, transparent background without the border, 300 DPI, high resolution, and you'll get that image all day looking like this. Rest in peace to KB, the Black Mamba. Rest in peace to the Black Mamba. So I'm just showing you guys what your prints will come out, how they would look if you're using my ink powder film. ICC profiles because it's matched to the ink, and you'll get vibrant prints all day long. So we're gonna get on with this video. I have an image that the customer has actually sent me. Show you guys what it looked like. Let me see if I can pull it up because I have so many. Check it out. Let you guys, once it's finished loading up, we'll let you guys see what the image look like. It's a bear, and he has multiple images. I say it's probably like 2, 4, 6, 8, probably 14, well 12, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 of the big images probably look like they're size 10 by 10s or 12 by 12s, but he has it on one size large gain sheet. And right now my computer is taking a long time loading up because I got so many files and so much things like that open and whatnot. It just happens like that. But it's a pretty good size image, and let me get to it if I can find it. If I can find it, and I found it. So here, ladies and gentlemen, you can see this is what the image is actually looking like right here. So we're gonna go ahead and print these little nice little cute little bears out. I like it. Come out. Gonna look real nice and vibrant. You guys can see what it look like. And you got a couple of little smaller ones down there at the bottom that you can see. But yeah, so we just now started printing up, and you guys can take a look in the background as we start printing. So and this is what we do all day long. Mine is my bootleg fan. I took the screen off of it because I was cleaning it, but a little clamp, it came off, so it wouldn't go on right. It was vibrating, making weird noises, so I just took it all the way off. I gotta go buy another fan, but anyways, you guys know about your software that you actually are using, because some guys y'all be using software and not familiar with it, don't know how to move the backgrounds, don't know how to change the resolution from a 72 or 96 to a 300 DPI. These things are very important. You got to know these, because when you start printing, you want to know exactly what size you want. You don't want to say, hey, I want it to be a 12 by 14, and then when you actually upload the image to my website or anybody else's website, it's a 10 by 4 at a 72 DPI. It's supposed to be an actual 12 by 14 if that's the image size you want, and 300 DPI. Transparent background, that means no borders, nothing like that, and you get the highest quality print ever. So what you're gonna be seeing right here, let me get up and show you guys what we're doing with this. The guy sent this image to me, 300 DPI, transparent background, and what I mean by that is don't have no border whatsoever, no border. So that's what it is. And this is a 7890 printer. Step back and show you guys. It's when I'm printing with a 7890. Anybody want one of these printers, I have them available. Just go to the website, use the number, contact me, and we'll talk about the pricing, shipping, and things like that. You guys can see it's a 9-channel printer. And I'm only printing with 2 whites. That's only 2 whites you see me printing with. And it's coming out super vibrant. You don't have to use 4 whites on these printers. I have 4 whites. You don't have to use 4 whites. You can only use 2 whites. I'm using these 2 whites right here because I already used these 2 whites before. So I just sweat my whites, swap them. Say I'm gonna use these this week, use those this week, so I can keep the print head flowing, some ink flowing through, so it won't clog up on me. So that's what I do. So people can do the same thing. So the good thing with these printers is, if say this channel clog up, I can just print with these 2 whites. And if this channel clog up, I can just print with these 2 whites. And if this channel clog up right here, then I just buy another print head because I can't print with 1 white. An Asian printer, you have 2 print heads, color, CYMK, and whites. If your white channels clog up on your print head because you're only printing with 2 whites on any Asian printer, you're not going to be able to swap the channels. You have to swap the print head, pay $300, $400, $500 depending on what print head you got, and then you have to go get the print head, wait till it coming from China, and you're going to have some type of alignment issue because you have to reline the print head. This printer has one DX6 print head that prints high resolution, and the power voltage is only 110. You don't have to worry about no 220, tripping the power supply, buying a power converter, or getting a wiring redone by a professional electrician that costs you more money. You can just print with one 10 volt, take it and plug it in any part of your house and get high volume prints done, like 100 an hour, depending on the size. And not only that, you get vibrant prints every time at a 1440 color resolution, 2880 color resolution. Or if you want to drop it down for speed, like the Asian printers, Ali or Codesi or any AAA company and Co, or any of these companies, you can go ahead and drop it down to 720 by 1440 and get print speed and still get high resolution quality. So that's the good thing about these printers right here that you're looking at. Now that's why people need to do their proper research. So you do your proper research, and when it boils down to you doing your proper research, you'll figure out what I'm saying is true, and a lot of people don't really want to tell you